everyone, it's Mara Allard of Wind, Water, and Wisdom, and it's Friday. And I thought I'd talk about a past experience this week and a service I offer that I forget to talk about. So I had a client this week who came to me, and she had been living in a home that she didn't really love. She loved the land, and it's funny, before or as soon as she got on the call, all I heard is the land loves her. And she said she had fallen in love with the land, but that the house just didn't feel right, despite her clearing it, and that the area didn't feel right. And she talked about wanting to move to another area, and immediately I felt this lightness. And so my back history is I was a realtor for a very long time in my life. 10 years is very long for any one job. And I really felt so passionate about homes and how important homes are to us, until I burnt out of the career and spirit took me elsewhere into working with energy. And one of my taglines is healer of homes. And at first I thought it was just about the home. And of course it never is, or home is just more than the physical abode. It is the land the house is on. It is the people that live in it. It is the items in the house as well. So all of that has to be interconnected. So you can actually live on beautiful land that energetically feels great, but the house may not. You may have the house and the land, but the state or the city is not. And then you can live there fine, but it will never feel like home. And to feel like home, all of them have to be in alignment. And that is something I do. So it was interesting is that the city that when I tested and leaned into that energy, sure enough, the city she wants to move to is in 100% resonance, alignment, vibration with her energy. Then you find the house that is and the land that is. And when you find all four, the state, the city, the house, the land, you have an energetic match. And that is something I can do for people. For example, I lived in Massachusetts for 54 years. The state of Massachusetts has zero resonance with me energetically. My body despises the cold. The city I lived in and raised my children, I didn't check the city I grew up in, but 30 years of the city I lived in and raised my children had a 50% match for me. So still didn't quite feel like home, but was better than the state. And the house was a 50%. So the last house, I didn't check them all, but the last house. And when I moved to North Carolina in a very rural town, and to the house that I bought sight unseen, the moment I entered this house, I cried. I felt at home. And I am 100% resonance to the state, to my small town, to my land, and to my home. And my husband is as well. Your goal is that two partners or four people or family can all feel very different in the home. I've had clients come to me who have built a home, their dream home, where they thought they would be happy. And one partner is 100% happy and the other one is like something's off. So the goal is to get at least 75% in alignment, vibration, resonance, whatever word you feel tied to every occupant. And then everyone will feel pretty much at ease there, as if they belong. It's like a feeling of coming home to yourself, to a belonging. So when I tag myself healer of homes, it's all of it. It's the person. It is the land. It is the home. It is the location, the state, the city. And that is something I can vibrationally work with. So before you make a big move, we can test this together and test this for other people. If you're going to be moving with pets, with a partner, with family, with friends, doesn't matter who you're cohabitating with, but it will make the experience of residing in that home much more beautiful for everyone. So if you're interested in this, just go to my website, windwaterandwisdom.com, and set up a free consultation with me. 15 minutes, we'll discuss how it works and talk about your experience. And then if you want to move forward, we can. But I just wanted to come back because I forget to talk about that. And it is one thing I love working on with people. It just feels so beautiful to put people in a home that they just feel like they belong in. Have a great day.